Let me show you. Okay, this is 2013 Kia Sorento. The oil pressure switch is pretty hard place to get at. So if you want a tool, there is no way unless you take the whole the water line for a coolant line for the cylinder head all the way on bolts all the way there. So, and he said what you have to do is a boxy end wrench, take it, and what you have to do is grind both sides nicely, make it thin enough so it will slide in and it will make a turn which you can pull it out and return again. Otherwise this would stop you from coming all the way off, from making a tight and pull it out, and restart will be hard if you don't grind these both sides. So make sure your number 24 is grounded thin here. You have to sacrifice your tool, of course, but believe me, it works like
a champ.
Like a slick. You see that? Yeah. Little grind here, little grind there. But this one, next time if you work on Kia Sorento, will help you. Otherwise, it's useless. More or less. Yeah. Take number 24, the cheapest tool you can find. Make sure it's 12 point here, or 4 point, not 6 point I mean. Make sure it is 12 point in order to grab the teeth, because 12 point you have got more teeth than the 6 point. Here you go. Now is in tightening. You see how slick it is? There you go. Otherwise you have to tear apart the whole line and the water line, all that. Forget it. How many hours you going to spend on it? Okay, here you go, gentlemen. I'll see maybe some other times to make another tool or modify another tool. Okay, bye for now.